When it comes to improving the look, security, and functionality of your Clearwater home, door installation plays a significant role. Whether you're replacing an old door or upgrading to a more energy-efficient model, choosing professional door installation offers several advantages that DIY installation simply cannot match. From precise fitting to enhanced curb appeal and long-term reliability, a professional installer ensures the job is done right. Here's why you should trust the experts when it comes to installing doors in Clearwater. Expert installation for a perfect fit. One of the primary reasons to opt for professional door installation in Clearwater is the expertise that comes with it. Installing a door may seem like a straightforward task, but it requires precision and skill to ensure a perfect fit. A door that's not installed correctly can cause a range of issues, including drafts, difficulty opening or closing, and compromised security. Professional installers have the experience to accurately measure and fit your new door, ensuring it operates smoothly and efficiently. Whether it's a front door, sliding patio door, or interior door, they know how to account for factors like the framing, the swing of the door, and the alignment of the hardware. This attention to detail ensures that the door functions as intended, saving you time, money, and frustration down the road. Improved energy efficiency. In Clearwater, where temperatures can reach the high 90s during the summer and dip to the low 50s in the winter, energy efficiency is a key consideration when installing or replacing doors. A poorly installed or outdated door can lead to drafts and heat loss, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Over time, this results in higher energy bills and reduced comfort. Professional door installers ensure that your new door is installed with proper insulation and weatherproofing, effectively sealing gaps and preventing air leakage. Many modern doors come with advanced energy-saving features, such as low-E glass or insulated cores, that can further reduce energy consumption. By opting for a professional installation, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient home and lower utility bills in the long run. Enhanced security. Your front door is one of the most important elements of your home's security. A professionally installed door is not only functional but also secure. A poor quality installation can leave gaps around the door, weakening its ability to keep intruders out. In addition, improper installation may affect the door's locking mechanism, making it easier for burglars to break in. Professional installers have a deep understanding of the security features that are essential in door installation. They use high-quality materials and ensure that the door is securely fitted within the frame, providing a tight seal that prevents unauthorized access. They can also install additional security features, such as deadbolts or smart locks, to further enhance the safety of your home. With a professionally installed door, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your home is secure. Curb appeal and value addition. A new door can completely transform the look of your home, especially if it's professionally installed. Whether you're installing a stylish front door, custom patio doors, or new interior doors, the quality of the installation plays a crucial role in how the door complements the rest of your home. Professional door installation ensures that the door aligns perfectly with the frame and enhances the overall appearance of your property. This is particularly important if you're looking to boost curb appeal or increase the value of your home. A well-installed door improves first impressions, making your home more inviting and attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. A high-quality, aesthetically pleasing door can be a significant factor in increasing your home's resale value. Long-term durability and reliability. While DIY door installation might seem cost-effective upfront, it can lead to problems down the line. A door that's installed incorrectly can experience issues such as misalignment, uneven gaps, or excessive wear and tear. This not only affects the door's function but also reduces its lifespan. Professional door installation ensures that the job is done right the first time, extending the life of your door. Skilled installers use industry-standard techniques and quality materials to ensure that your door performs reliably for years to come. Whether you opt for a wood, fiberglass, or steel door, a professional installation helps prevent common issues like warping, cracking, or rusting. With expert installation, your door will continue to look great and operate smoothly for much longer. Saves time and reduces stress. Door installation might seem like a manageable DIY project, but it can be more time-consuming and challenging than expected. From choosing the right door to measuring the frame and ensuring proper alignment, the process requires a certain level of skill and precision. Hiring a professional door installation service in Clearwater allows you to skip the hassle and save time. Experienced installers come prepared with the necessary tools, equipment, and knowledge to complete the job efficiently. They handle all the heavy lifting, and you can rest easy knowing the job is being done correctly. In the end, this saves you valuable time and helps avoid the frustration of dealing with installation problems. Warranties and aftercare services. When you choose a professional door installation service, you gain access to warranties that provide peace of mind. Many door manufacturers offer product warranties that cover defects in the materials, and professional installers often provide labor warranties as well. These warranties ensure that if any issues arise after installation, the problem will be addressed without additional costs to you. Additionally, professional installers offer aftercare services, including maintenance tips and troubleshooting assistance. Whether you need advice on door cleaning or tips on how to handle seasonal temperature changes, the best door installation companies in Clearwater are committed to supporting you long after the installation is complete. Conclusion. When it comes to door installation in Clearwater, choosing a professional is always the best option. From ensuring a perfect fit and enhancing energy efficiency to boosting security and adding curb appeal, professional door installers offer numerous benefits that DIY installation can't provide. With their expertise, high-quality materials, and attention to detail, professional installers guarantee that your new door will last, function properly, and add value to your home. By investing in expert installation, you're making a smart decision that will pay off in comfort, safety, and long-term satisfaction.